Hello everyone, I am Gurumurthy, Max teacher, the Optimus Public School, Bhavani. I am going to continue chapter 1, place value. The last video we saw comparing numbers and finding biggest and smallest number. If you have any doubt in this topic, please go through the previous video and come to this. In this video, we are going to learn predecessor and successor, ordering numbers, that means ascending and descending, and building numbers. Rohit is playing with the calculator. He has typed 4326 on it. What would Rohit get if he add 1 to 4326? Yes, 4326 plus 1 equal to 4327. 4327 comes just after 4326. So, 4327 is the successor of 4326. What would Rohit get if he subtract 1 from 4326? Yes, 4326 minus 1 equal to 4325. 4325 comes just before 4326. 4325 is the predecessor of 4326. Look at the number 423. Now, can you write the number just before the number 423? Yes, we can write by subtracting 1 from the number 423. That is 423 minus 1 equal to 422. Now, you can write the number just after 423. Yes, we can write the number by adding 1 with the number 423. That is 423 plus 1 equal to 424. So, in this number 423, 422, 424. Here 422 is the predecessor of 423 and the number 424 is the successor of 423. So, the predecessor is number that comes just before a given number is called predecessor. In other words, it is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. One more example, 9843. The predecessor is 9842. Next one, successor. A number that comes just after a given number is called the successor. In other words, it is obtained by adding 1 from the given number. Example, 9843. The successor of this is 9844. Next topic name is ascending and descending order. Ascending means smallest value to biggest value. Descending means biggest value to smallest value. We will see one by one. What do we mean by ascending order? Well, ordering the numbers, that is, when we order the numbers or arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest number, then we say that is that the numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now, in our everyday life, we do need to arrange things in some order. So, you can see how beautiful these ducks look when they arranged from smallest to largest, and this arrangement is called ascending order or increasing order. Ascending order. You are going to arrange smaller to bigger number. Example 1, 8738, 34, 547, 4. Here all the numbers are different digits. We are going to arrange smaller value to bigger value. We know the comparison rule. The number with less number of digit is lesser value, or the number with greater number of digit is greater value. Here the first number of digit is 4, second number the number of digit is 2, third number the number of digit is 3, fourth number of digit is 1. So we are going to select fourth one first, second one second, third one third, first one fourth. The ascending order is 4 is less than 34, 34 is less than 547, 547 is less than 8738. Next example, 5643, 8704, 2343, 8732. Dear kids, here the number of digits are same. We know the comparing rule. If the number of digits is same, then we start with the comparison of the digits from the left. That means first start from thousands place, after that hundreds place, after that tens place, after that ones place. You are going to select smaller one. So first number is thousands place is 5, so it's become 5000. Second number thousands place is 8, so it become 8000. Third number thousands place is 2, so 2000. Fourth number thousands place is 8, so 8000. Smallest number is 2000, so we are going to select 2343. Next we are going to compare remaining 3 numbers. Here first number thousands place is 5, second number and fourth number thousands place is 8. Therefore the smallest number is 5. So we are going to select 5643. Next we are going to compare remaining 2. The remaining 2 numbers, the thousands place are same. Next we are going to compare 100 place. The 100 place is also same. We are going to compare tens place. The second number tens place is 0 and fourth number tens place is 3. So 3 is greater value and 0 is lesser value. You are going to select less value. 8704 is lesser than 8732. The ascending order is 2343 is less than 5643. 5643 is less than 8704. 8704 is less than 8732. Now, what is the exact opposite of this? Yes, we can also order the numbers or arrange the numbers from largest to smallest number. This arrangement is called descending order or decreasing order. So, when we arrange the numbers starting from the largest number to the smallest number, we say arrange the numbers in descending order. Like, see, these ducks are arranged from the largest to smallest number. So this arrangement is of this number in descending order. Descending order, example 1. 405, 7, 34, 1980. Here also you are using comparing rule 1. We know the comparing rule 1. If number with less number of digit is lesser value, or if number with greater number of digit is greater value. We know that descending means bigger number to smaller value. First we are going to select bigger value. So number of digit is more means greater value. First number is 3 digits, second number is 1 digit, third number is 2 digit and fourth number is 4 digits. So you are going to select fourth number first, first number second, third number third and second number fourth. Therefore the answer is 1980 is greater than 405, 405 is greater than 34, 34 is greater than 7. Next example. The number of digit, all the numbers are same. So you are going to use comparison rule number 2. That is, if the number of digits is same, then we start with the comparison of the digit from the left. The first number, thousands place is 8, second number thousands place is 5, third number thousands place is 9, fourth number thousands place is 2. So third number is bigger value, that is greater value. So you are going to select 9874. Next you are going to comparing remaining 3 numbers. 8000 is greater value. You are going to select first number. Next you are going to comparing the remaining 2 numbers. The second number and fourth number. The second number is greater value. You are going to select greater value. The finally 2343 is comes in last. The descending order is 9874 is greater than 8732. 8732 is greater than 5643. 5643 is greater than 2343. Dear kids, next I will teach you how to form numbers with given set of digits. That means building numbers. First we will learn how to form the greatest number. To form the greatest number, rearrange the given digit in descending or decreasing order. Example, the given digits are 7362. To form this digit in descending order, that means 7632. It's become 7632. Next example, 1046. These are the digits are given. To arrange in descending order, that means 6410. That means 6410. Second, we will learn how to form the smallest numbers. Let us take 7362. To arrange in ascending order, that means small to biggest number. Here 2367 are ascending order. That means 2367, which is smallest number. Next, 1046. What is the smallest number? Now here, to form smallest number, rearrange as 0, 1, 4, 6. But this numbers is 3-digit number. Therefore, we interchange the position of the first 2 digits. That is 0 and 1's interchange. After that you can get the smallest number 1046, which is smallest given 4-digit number. Dear kids, try this. Pause the video, write the answer. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.